What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. I know it has been a while, but in today's video we are going to be changing up the exhaust on my Ram. This video is sponsored by Evil Energy, so they reached out to me asking me if I needed some fuel fittings, and I've used their fuel pump and lines and fittings and filters, all that stuff before, but I saw on their website that they actually have this it's called a resonator slash muffler. This is more of a resonator than anything, if you can see inside of it. But right now I got a Cherry Bomb M80 on there, and it sounds pretty good. It's a unique sound that I haven't really heard on the Rams. It's like a mix between straight pipe, but it's not raspy, and sounds pretty good. Also, here soon we're gonna be doing a review video on these rough country tires. I just ordered 2 for it now. The other one just showed up, so I'm gonna be pulling my truck in the shop to mount that one. Anyways, I figured today would be a good time to switch out the exhaust. I'm gonna do a startup. It should be cold. It's about 70 degrees out right now, so it's not gonna be like super, loud, whatever, the warm-up period, but this is gonna be a cold start for 70-degree weather. I'll do a couple of revs and stuff like that and kind of give you an idea of the before and after. There is music going on inside the shop right now, so I'm not gonna do any talking inside the shop. It's gonna be straight, welding up the new resonator on the exhaust. We'll pull it back out, and then we'll do a couple of rev ups and stuff like that. And then also I'll get a cold start for you guys as well. Justin, breaking news. While editing this video, Evil Energy is currently hosting a Black Friday countdown event that runs through November 5th through November 21st. During the Evil Energy Black Friday countdown, you'll enjoy a couple of events. Event number 1 is 12% off site-wide, so everything on that website, 12% off. Event number 2, November 5th through November 21st, all customers placing orders automatically entered into the top spender competition. Each Friday during this period, we will rank the top 3 spenders and award prizes at 3 levels. First place is a $200 gift card. Second place is a $100 gift card. Third place is a $50 gift card. And then also, randomly selected lucky orders is a $20 gift card. And then there's also a comment draw. Join the conversation, comment on the blog with a hashtag Evil Energy Black Friday for a chance to win amazing prizes. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Go ahead, purchase anything from Evil Energy, even this little muffler if you want to make your truck louder without raspiness, because you guys are in for a treat on this video, and you guys can be entered in to win a lot of prizes. All right, let's get back to this video. Let's go ahead and start this up. Alright guys, first thing in the morning, we got the boss right here. We're gonna do a cold start real quick. Jump in. So you guys can hear a sound of this. Did you guys see that puff of smoke? Let's watch it one more time. Anyways, got the new tires mounted, got new brake pads on, and just pad slapped it. But let's go ahead and do a driving. Show you guys what this exhaust sounds like. Hopefully the camera catches it, but it's definitely a little bit deeper than the other one. It's closer to a straight pipe. Resonator should just grab all that raspy noise, hopefully. Sounds pretty good so far. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you guys want some drive-bys or anything like that, I could probably try to figure that out. Well, if you guys want some drive-bys, I can figure that out, and we'll do that in another video if you guys are interested in that. But this is the Evil Energy resonator slash muffler. It's more of a resonator than a muffler though. But in my case, I'm gonna use it as a muffler. And I think it sounds great, and it sounds good, and it's definitely a budget option if you want your Ram to sound good, or really any vehicle at that matter to sound good. So I hope you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and you guys stay different, and I'll see you in the next one.